Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is August 19th, 2023. Happy birthday, Lillian. And this is my weekly market review, where I review the Dow 30 on a monthly chart, quarterly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. As we all know, trading is risky. Please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is actually suited for you. If you're interested in trading, contact us here at Right Side Trading and see if we can help you or point you in the right direction. All right, let me just jump right over to the chart. Is it time to buy the dip yet? I don't know. But what I see on the chart, we was kind of expecting a red mud. We are getting that red mud. And that's it. How can you tell if the market is actually getting a little bearish? If you see me not putting out any trades of the week, putting out a trade of the week, first day of the week, the market is probably a little bearish. If you see me in my weekly market review talking about selling covered calls, buying puts, maybe the market is beginning to get a little bearish. No trade recommendations. It's just that I do try to provide information that will help you see what's actually working out here. That's it. But that's enough for that. Let's jump into this review and see what's going on. I'm do it a little bit different this week. I'm going to maximize this quarterly chart. Zoom in here and let me see if I can do it a little bit different. And zoom here, boom. Because this shows up on the Twitter and all the other things a little bit better. And what we are seeing here, we see that the Dow went up to a level that I said it needed to get above before, and now it's back below that. We're forming a doji up here, but we're still above this 10 moving average. So we're still kind of okay. On the monthly chart, of course, we're still above the 10. We are getting that red mud. As long as we don't make a lower low, which is way down here, be kissing on the 10 and going below the 10, we're still okay. It's just like I had said, it's a time where you needed to start protecting your money. You need to start putting some bearish trades in place. Do what you have to do based on your plan, your strategy to play this thing to the downside for a little while. And as I say, it's for a little while. And is it time to buy the dip? The Dow is at a point, I look at these tops. This is this area where I said it had to break out before. It's back down testing that level on the monthly and all. But our stochastic on the monthly chart is at the top. So again, if you were long or still long on in anything, you definitely you should have had your stops in place. When I said it a week or two ago, if you got stopped out, you got stopped out. If you played it to the downside, put the protection in, whatever you happen to do, you did it. But that's that. But right now, time to buy, I would say no. But I'm when it comes to trying to buy that, buy that dropping knife, I'm not that trader. I like seeing a little bit of something somewhere to give me some confirmation. And right now on this monthly chart, it's just too high. I would like to see it. I have to go down to a lower time frame and see what's happening there. And let's go to this weekly chart right quick and see what's happening there. On the weekly chart, we can see that we did bounce off. This should be a monthly pivot, a support 1. So that's giving me one little thing. Now I would drop down and see if I see a pattern or something else to give me confirmation. That's sometimes how I do my confirmation, to say, okay, maybe it is time to buy. But that's what I'm doing. I'm looking at my charts and seeing what my charts, and like I said, it's at a point where it broke out before. It's all the way back down there at that bottom though. And maybe on the daily chart, it did give us a point that it's time to buy. Nope, not really in my opinion. It came down low enough. It filled what we're going to start calling a jailer gap, since jailer likes these type of gaps. And this is a good gap. This is a good gap. You definitely has a spot here where there was no trading. The market has come down there and filled that filled those orders the way I like to say it, and it did give a nice push back up. The thing is now, if you just want to look at this one green candle and see if you get a confirmation of this actually thing going back up, that might be okay, but no trade recommendation here. But that's the way I would look at it. And on the daily chart also, we're seeing that our stochastic is now at the bottom. Maybe you know how the stochastic can hang out down here at the bottom. You want to see a double. I like seeing double confirmation. See, my stochastic is actually turning around, and I'm getting a candle pattern up here that's actually start forming. You might start getting like, this is not a real good morning star. It's not even really good piercing pattern, but you might get something here if you get another green candle going back to the upside. So we have to kind of like wait and see on that. But that's it. That's all I really want to do on the Dow here today. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope this is being helpful. Hope you guys had a great week. Give me a double Y, as Wally would say in the comments. Just do that, because like you say, we did kind of call it right to this downside. And the thing is it over yet? Not sure. Have to wait and see if we get some confirmation. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.